get our blender. All right. That's the first thing what we're gonna do. Get the blender up and running. So once we get the blender, next we're going to get some cucumber. All right. Straight into the blender like this. Yeah. All right, and these are some beautiful drinks. Help to detox the body. Also, all right. So that's the cucumber right here. We're also gonna get a green apple. To put inside of it. All right. And that's the green apple. We're gonna get some ginger. If you have some ginger in it, we're gonna get some lemon. You're gonna use the lime. Because I have some lime. Put some lime inside of it, just like this. That's the lime. Right here. All right. Good vibes. Good vibes. All right. I'm gonna put some water inside of it, roughly about 8 cups of water inside of it. All right. I'm gonna put a little bit of honey inside of it. Option. And a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. All right. Once you do that, what you can do, simple, just cover it up like this. All right, and then we're going to make a little bit of noise. We're going to blend it. In the meantime, you know exactly what to do. Just search for the name and search on my website, chefricardo.co.uk. Excellent. All right. Once you blend it, all right. Once you blend it, okay. This is what we're going to do. Get our bowl, and we're going to strain it. Okay. Run it through our strainer. This. Excellent. All right. So let's rinse it out a little bit. Lovely. And after that, just yeah. I know that cucumber have a lot of water, but you know, you have to free up the blender with some water, right? Lovely. So as I can see, that looking excellent. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna just simply transfer it into my other bowl, back into my blender, and then yeah, everything is flowing like a river. So we get our cup just like this, all right, and then we're going to pour it out. So it's a simple recipe, it doesn't complicate it, and you guys can do the same thing at home. All right, it is just cucumber, green apple, ginger, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and some honey inside of it. All right, so we're just gonna go for it. Fill up our cup, and this is just like an amazing detoxing right here. Very good. All right, good for the skin, good health, and that's what Chef Ricardo is all about with the cucumber drink. So it's cucumber, ginger, lime, apple cider vinegar, honey inside of it, and some green apple, and an amazing drink. All right, yeah man, a good vibes. Remember to check out Meat Free Monday at 4 o'clock on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Big up on yourself, beautiful people. We do love you a lot, and the full recipe is on my YouTube channel. All right guys, thank you so much for watching again, and we really appreciate every one of you guys who take the time and share the support. All right, what more can we ask for? All right, look at that, excellent, beautiful, simple, and also delicious. All right, yes, today's Meat Free Monday with Chef Ricardo Cooking, guys. Do not miss it. Meat Free Monday is important. It's a time where we say to you, don't eat no meat today. Just eat some vegetables, and any kind of vegetable you like to use, you can just use it. All right, so good vibes, beautiful people, and yeah, we will be just coming with some more recipes and more ideas. All right, and a simple little recipe, them, you guys, where you guys can also